I don't even want to admit to the sheer confusion I just felt as to why this camera wouldn't turn on even though I had no battery and no memory card in it. I was just like, why won't you work? Anyway, you guys, today on Banana Peppers, we're gonna do a video that some people requested me to do 3 years ago on my main channel, and I never did. And I don't know why, but for the past couple of days, I've just been looking at these boxes full of phone cases, and I'm like, you know what would be fun before I get a new phone and then I can never use any of these cases again, is to show you guys my iPhone case collection. Wow, I just had a brain fart mid-sentence. Impressive. I'm also excited. I just filmed a tea vlog for Graveyard Girl. I feel like normally 9 times out of 10 I just do the tea vlog content on this channel, but it was nice to just sit down and talk and, you know, have a little minute on my main channel. I don't know what this accent is that I'm suddenly doing, and I also don't know what I'm poking my phone up. Picking my phone up. I've been doing that all day where it's like I'm trying to say one word and it comes out like something completely else and stupid. But anyway, I have an iPhone X, and also, oh wow, I didn't mean to do that. Did you need a flashlight? Let me illuminate your way. Illuminate! Do you see what I'm saying? I have no business trying to talk today. I also do this thing that makes me super angry with myself, where I get ridiculously superstitious about things that I shouldn't be superstitious about, and one of my superstitions is changing my phone case. So heaven only knows why I have so many phone cases, because I feel like I end up just picking one. I don't know. It's kind of, I have many goals for my life, and one of them is to kind of get back into, I used to change my phone case like almost daily to match my outfits. I'm kind of the same way with handbags. I'm still kind of the same way with handbags, where I'll like change them almost daily to coordinate with whatever wonderful outfit I'm pulling off. But for some reason I like stopped doing it with phone cases. But I don't know, like various periods of my life I get these crazy superstitions that have no basis in fact or logic, and sometimes I'm just like, oh. So I've had this phone case, which is adorable, don't get me wrong. I've had this phone case on my phone for a couple of months now, and I have all these other cool ones I want to use, and now I know I'm gonna get the iPhone X Maxi Pad or whatever it's called. It's like the most biggest iPhone, which I'm really excited about, because personally for me, there have been some things that I've liked about the iPhone X, but I just had the 7 Plus or whatever was the big iPhone. But then I wanted the X for mostly all the camera features, and so I switched. But I always have missed like the larger sized phone. I know some people love it, some people hate it. I really loved it, and I've definitely missed it the entire time I've had an iPhone X. Anyway, let's just look at the phone cases. Most of these I got from Yes Style, which I've talked about them like several times on both of my channels. They sell like a lot of K-beauty, J-beauty products, but they also have other categories like a home and lifestyle category where they have a lot of cute phone cases. I've gotten some of these other ones off of Wish, and there's some in the bottom of this box that I don't even know what's in here. This was my pink pig case, which I had on my phone during the Shane collab. It had a cute little plush pig, but I don't know, I got sick of the phone case being on my phone, but I still wanted the little plush pig, so I took him off. That was a boring story. I love this one, and I honestly might put this on my phone right now because it's so cute. This one came from Yes Style, and it's got this 3D ice cream cone, and it has these little faux sprinkles on the inside. I love phone cases like this. I feel like this is kind of like the new trend, because I have a couple in here like this, but I love this one. I feel like this is also the one that I should have on my phone because it's just so bizarre that I'm like, oh my god, this is me. It's a phone case that has tiny little friends inside. It's like little people. You know what? I'm just gonna put this on my phone right now so you can just see how bizarre this is. But it's like little friends in a capsule. It's so strange, but I feel like having it on the phone will give you more context for how truly bizarre it is. It's so cool to me. I don't know. I like it. Next is one of those like little shaker cases again. It's got a happy little cloud on the inside, and it's got these like crystals in there. That's also like a really soothing sound to me. This one I thought was going to be a hard shell case. It kind of reminded me of like a Fear and Loathing kind of desert style. This case reminds me of one I used to have last year. I don't know if I have any of those anymore. But last year I had a case that was like this, and it was like 3D hearts on the outside, like kind of like this like capsule design. It was like the hearts like stuck up off the back of the phone case, if that makes any sense. And this is kind of like the same, like the hearts are kind of 3D in there, but they're not textured. Like the case feels flat, but if you look on the inside, you can see that they are like kind of three-dimensional, I guess is a good way to describe them. It looks really cool. This is also one of my favorites, and he's called Brunch Brothers. I think that that's like a K beauty or K fashion brand, and I actually have a dummy iPhone in here. I did a giveaway with Casetify last year for the iPhone X when it came out. And I don't know why, like sometimes for giveaways, like they send like dummy replica phones, but I always love having this because it's kind of fun when I do like fashion flat lays and stuff, because I can like take a picture of like the clothing, and I always like to like include a phone case, and then I can like have this dummy phone so that it actually looks like my iPhone is in the photo, but actually it's just like a piece of plastic. Here is another one of those like movement type cases. It says Dream, and it's got liquid glitter on the inside. It's also reflective, so you can see me seeing you. I just thought that that was really cute. Then I have, oh look, here is one of those heart cases like I was telling you about. This one's a little bit harder to see because the hearts are clear and they're infused with like a blue kind of glitter. And then we have this one, which is kind of hard to see the detail. Oh look, the screen brightened up a little bit, but it's like a rubberized kind of lattice pattern, I guess you could say, where you can like see the phone through the designs. I have another dummy iPhone, and I have this case on this one, and it looks like it's got a little teddy bear. It's another one of those 3D designed ones. You know what? Really similar to this case that I've had on there forever, because it's got like, they both have that little like heart glitter thing going on. This one's so cute. I'm like literally kicking myself for not switching these phone cases out more. Here is another one, which, you know what, I will load this on my phone as well. Some of them I feel like it's really hard to see the detail unless you have the case on your phone. It's like a unicorn. I can't tell. It's got like a bow on it. I was always confused. I'm like, is it a unicorn or a Pegasus? But I think it's supposed to be a unicorn, but it's like a 3D magic glitter pony. So cute. Also has like iridescent flake glitter in there. We have this one, which is from Casetify, and it's so cute. It's like got planets and aliens and astronauts, and all the little planets are so happy. We have this one that I got from Yes Style, and it's pretty plain, but it has this cute little happy face on it. I got this one off of Wish just because it's so absurd. It's got a rubber chicken squishy, and if you squeeze it, out pops an egg, because that's not bizarre or disturbing or anything. Once again, I wish this was like a hard shell case. Like, I feel like a lot of them that you get off of Wish, like they can look like a cool design, but I feel like most of the time, like the quality is just not there. I got this one off of Yes Style. It's just so strange. I don't even know what it means. It's got this weird kid on it, and it says, first time tasting sour. Like, what does that mean? I have this one, which is just infused with all these really pretty hexagonal, no, it looks like it is all hexagonal shaped hollow glitter. It's pretty cool. It's got like this coin and all of this like silver metallic fleck in it, and it's got like a coin. Did I already say that? But I don't know. I went through this whole period. It's kind of like another period of history that I get obsessed with, like watching shows about, is like ancient Rome, and it just reminded me of like an ancient Rome coin. So I feel like I was carrying it a lot. Then I have a ton of really pretty Casetify cases. A lot of these are flowers. We've got different roses. I think that's a peony technically. Wow. Some Looney Tunes cases. I have Daffy Duck and Marvin the Martian. I love Marvin the Martian so much, and I feel like you don't hardly ever see him on anything. And I don't know how many of them there were in the world, but shout out if you remember the Warner Brothers store in my little local mall. We used to have this amazing, it was huge. It was like how they still have the Disney store now, but it was a Warner Brothers store. And it was like, they had these two big, like, Bugs Bunny. Like, does anybody feel like retail has just gotten, like, so, like, kind of normal now? I don't know how to put it. Like, I remember when I was little, like, the Disney store had a glass display in the front of the store, and they would have animatronics in the windows that would like move. I think it was like a Mickey Mouse and some stuff. I feel like retail used to be like so imaginative, and like it was an experience to go to the mall. Like I even remember it was some kind of like kids clothing store, because I was still a little kid at the time. I don't remember what it was, but they had these tubes that kids could climb in to get into the store. It was like a little like jungle gym, kind of like Chuck E. Cheese. What was that place that I used to love to go to when I was a kid? Oh, this is gonna drive me crazy now. Like, I would go there every day during the summer. This is gonna drive me crazy. You guys out there, somebody out there knows what I'm talking about right now. But I used to live there all summer long because you could buy these passes that was like a wristband, and then you could just like go and crawl around in these leaps and bounds. That's what it was. But there was leaps and bounds, and then there was another one. But basically it was like those big, like kind of indoor jungle gym places where there was like ball pits and you could like crawl all through these tubes and stuff. Anyway, there was a store in the mall that had stuff like that. And now I'm just like, nobody does anything like cool and interesting anymore. I guess it's because like retail is probably struggling so much, which does make me really sad because I am kind of just like a mall rat kind of person. Like I just like to go there, see what's new, see what's going on. Look at all the cool outfits that other people wear as they like walk around in the mall. But unfortunately, I do feel like 9 times out of 10, like I can't find what I'm looking for. And so then I end up having to like come home and order it online anyway. Anyway, that was a total, really long diatribe for no reason. Here is a glitter skull phone case. I love these waterfall glitter cases. I feel like I was carrying this one for quite a while too. It's eyeballs with glitter, popcorn, and a minimalist. Wow, you can't even see what this design is. It's like popcorn, cotton candy, snacks. And then this one has my hair on it. Lovely, like bobby pins. So cute. We have cactuses and more food things like pizzas, and these just basically have like a lot of cute designs on them. We have lemons and cheeseburgers, cute little baby dinosaurs, and gnomes with little mushrooms, sushis with winking heart eye smiley face kind of thing going on. And then the last one in this box is more Looney Tunes. Let me try and not get distracted by another 15-minute Warner Brothers story. So that's it for this box. I have a couple other ones that I just got in this box. More of like the kind of shaped ones. Like this one is so cool. I think it's supposed to look like a Kit Kat bar, but it just says candies. But it has like a little wrapper effect. So cute. This one that I love as well. It's like a pink drink, and once again it has like the little moving glitter flake pieces on the inside. I think I like the ice cream one even more though. That one's like really cute. Then I have this one, which is like a happy glitter pig, and then I have this one just because it's so bizarre. It's just a pig snout. I don't know what's going on there, but it's something that exists in the world. Then much like the hearts, 3D heart one, I also have pink stars that's filled with pink glitter. And I have this one, which is so weird. Once again, I do wish it was like a hard plastic case, but I think it's supposed to look like if your phone was like broke or something. Has anybody ever seen the inside of an iPhone? Is this what it looks like? I think that's what it was supposed to be. Then I have this one just because I thought it was so cute. It's a Shiba Inu. I'm not sure what this says, so if anybody can translate, that would be amazing. And I think he's supposed to be like using radishes as pom-poms to like cheer you on. Then I have this one that I just thought was so pretty. It's like a pastel rainbow. For some reason it says summer on the bottom. I don't really know what that means. And then the very last one I have is kind of cool and random at the same time. It's like well, you know what, I think the paper, yeah, so this like hollow thing is just like a piece of paper on the inside, so it can just be like clear and glittery if you want, but it's got raised lettering and it says baby. And for some reason this just looks like a very like Spice Girls thing. Like for months I've been trying to figure out how I can do like I dressed as the Spice Girls for a week. I thought this would be a really cute case for Baby Spice. Well, you guys, was today's video entertaining or boring? I don't know, but I felt like hanging out with you guys, winding down. And this light over here looks really bright today. I guess it's like reflecting off the printer. That is about it for me today. I felt like I was gonna go on and say some more stuff, but then just all the thoughts boop, popped out of my head. So that's it. I love you guys. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. I'm still editing the poopsie video. I'm sorry, it has taken me forever, and then I feel like I keep just jumping in and I like have other ideas for other videos that I want to film, so then I like do other things, and then I don't know, I do that all the time. Like I have so many videos for this channel that I just never uploaded. I don't even know why. They're just sitting there. They're already edited. They're just sitting there on my computer, but now I feel like it would be weird since I like recorded them so long ago. Like I'm sure at this point like I'm just talking about stuff that doesn't even pertain to anything anymore. So I'm just like, well, they're just dead videos now. Just dead videos. But anyway, till I see you guys next time, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all very soon.